Hi, Dave Coble at MarineMax, Lake of the Ozarks. Thanks for joining us today. My contact information is below if you'd like to reach out to us. We appreciate you viewing our site. Got a 2019 240 Solstice here, beautifully appointed. You got to take a look at this floor. This flooring is amazing. I just love it. It dries really quickly, stays fairly cool. If it does get warm, you splash some water, it dries off quickly, and you're back in business. One of the best features and one of our most popular features, or layouts I should say, is this single lounger. And the reason is there's just so much space. We've got fenders and the table stowed in here. Now these have places to go, but you know there's just a huge amount of space. You bring your skis and noodles, life jackets on here, and you're not dragging it through the boat and making a mess, hitting somebody in the head with your ski or whatever. It's all really right here. It's easily accessible. You toss it out to your people. If you come on around, you'll check out now that we've got a gate here that will help keep if you've got a small dog or children or something. It just helps kind of keep them corralled inside here. But when you get ready to cove out, you got a nice little spot here with a little curve in the knees, so you don't have any discomfort from laying, sitting there with your knees flat. It's a great place to lay out and just rock in the water. When you come forward, you'll see we've got the Simrad JL stereo and speakers, and this has got the subwoofer in it. And I'll tell you, the sound from a stock stereo will impress you. And, unless you're just one of those guys that has to have the $20,000 stereo, these things are hard to beat. I mean, from a stock stereo standpoint. Looking ahead here, you'll see on this model, if you look, the pull down stitching here, it's not just to make it prettier. It adds to the experience. You get out on the water, you're sitting in a plush, kind of beautiful boat. You can't help but feel good about it. The sun's coming out, you're out on the water. I mean, there's nothing better. You got to get down here and give these boats a try. If you haven't seen Harris or driven or been on them, they're a great product. They stand by their product, and we'd love to see you down here. If we can help you in any way, come down, see us at MarineMax, Lake of the Ozarks, and take a ride on one of these tri-tunes with us. We keep some in the water at all times. You can reach us at 573-365-5382 or myself, 573-216-8968. Again, this is Dave Coble with MarineMax. Thanks. Bye.